Hi, my name is Rohit Rabshette. We are here back with the new lesson of managing the files from the command line. Here we are having the goal of copy, move, create and delete and organize the file while working from a bash shell prompt. Here we will do all those things, and with that we will see the directories, a Red Hat Linux enterprise or Linux directories. Here are some directories. This showing about the entire things. Here is the root directory. Here are some subdirectories under that files, and each having the some each file configures something. So we'll see all those things in this tutorial. Here is the root location, and in the various subdirectories are there: /bin, /sbin, /etc, dev, proc, var, temp, /user, home, boot, and various types of various are represented over here. And from that /bin is used for binaries, and /sbin is system binaries. These are system binary files. /etc is some main one. I think that configures at these various configuration files of the systems are located were in the /etc. /dev is a device files. In that /var is for the variable files. /tmp is for the temporary files. We'll see all those files here. Here first one is the root. Every single file and the directory starts from the root directory. Only the root user has right privilege under this directory. Only root permissions are as like a god permissions. It's like a god of that machine. Please note that the /root is a root user's home directory, which is not same as / only. / is a different thing, /root is a different thing. After that we are having the binaries. /bin, it's a user binary. It's represented as user binary files are located over there. It contains the binary executable files and commands used by all the users of the command of the system are located over here, such as ps, ping, grb, cp and all. /csbin, it's system binaries. System binary files are located here, just like sbin, /bin and various executable binary executable files. It's for example reboot, fdisk, ipconfig, swap on and all. /etc it contains the configuration files. All the it contains configuration files required by the programmer. For example, various types of examples are there. /etc/resolve.com, /etc/logrotate.com. It's a device files. It contains the device files. Various whenever we connect various types of devices, so it includes all that files. It's a process information. I'm not pointing much about this, and the files which are mainly useful, I'm only pointing out all the points only. /var it's also the one of the important files in the root directory. Under the root directory, /var stands for variable files. Variable files, it includes the /var packages, various packages and all. After that there is a /tmp. It's a temporary files. Files under this directory are deleted when system is rebooted, so that we need to make it persistent, so that we need the mount and all those things. I will see it over later. After that, the user programs, various binary, library documentation and source codes. Various types of source codes are located over here. After that, the home directory, all the user information and their personal files are stored over here. It may contains anyone is if here we are the user Rohit. Let's just say the username is Rohit. We add all the personal files of it are located under the /home directory. After that, there is a bootloader files are there. It contains the bootloader related files, various bootloader files. It's a library, system libraries are there. Here is the MNT mount directory and media, removable media devices. Various we are having the media devices such as CD-ROM, media, floppy trays, and all. It's a service data. Service stands for service. It contains the server specific services related data. For example, here is written that various types of related data. It's a PDF. As of now, we have seen all those file system hierarchy of the root directory. After that, we are moving to the various commands used for copying, moving the files, deleting the files, and on managing all the files. We'll see one by one again. Here we are covering all the theory part, and after that we'll see the practical part. In this first command is this is a command which is used for listing the current user's home directory in a simplest syntax when it is not at the current location. CD on the CD is when it is used. It's used when to return the current user's home directory. After that, determining the absolute path name of the current location, we need the pwd command. It will show you all the present directory of that user. After further returning to the most previous working directory, we need the command like cd dash. Moving up to 2 levels from the current location, we need the command cd double dot slash double dot. After that, for listing the current location with the hidden files, we need ls-al. Here -a, this thing is used for having the hidden files. After that, there is a some /cd/bin file is here. Sorry, it's not a file, it's a command. This command is used when you have to move the binary location from the any current location. It's a current location, and whenever we need to move the binary location from the root directory, we will use cd-bin. For move to parent of the current location, we will use cd double dot to just to go at the back at like the parent location. There are some various command types when the various files are there at that time, and we want to search any command or any file name. At that time we use these type of commands. If you are let's just check out it once again. Here whenever we are having the file name which is starting with the B, then we use such a command B and after a star. If the file name ends with B, then just write it as a star B. Whenever the file names containing a B part, then star B star. Here various things are written. The file names that begins with the uppercase letter, here the notation is given, and just copied it down in the book, so that it will be helpful. I think it will be very much helpful for this. So we'll move to the creating, deleting and viewing the files. First one, we'll see how to create a directory. In this creation of the directory, we need, for creating the new directory, we need to use the command like mkdir. If we are making the new directory as Rohit, suppose Rohit, and make it as mkdir Rohit, it will make the new directory. For creating a file, it just for this one is just for the making the new directory, but for the making creating a file, we need the command, the different commands like touch, after that rohit.txt, after that we are having also a cat rohit.txt and vim rohit.txt. So various we can use the various types for creating a file. For getting a help or information, we used to use the pinfo mkdir, which is also now we can get that all those information stored in the about the mkdir file. After that we are having man, man vim. It shows that all those information file, all the information regarding the vim it located in the help section. For removing the files, we uses such commands like rm and the file followed by the file name. For recursively remove, we use rm-r and followed by the name of the directory, like rm-r Rohit. For forcefully remove, we use rm-r followed by the name. For removing the directory, we use rmdir, after that Rohit. But here the directory must be an empty directory. After that we are having the copy. Here copy -p, file name and destination. Here we had used the p so that permission will not be changed after of all the directories of the directory containing the file destination address. After that we are having the cp-r file name and destination, and cp-rv file name and destination part. These are the syntax of copying. Move, we can use the move as a rename also. So here I had shown that mv Rohit and followed by the name Bahubali. Here it shows that Rohit is renamed as a Bahubali. This is the syntax for moving from one location to another location, that is mv source add and destination. To search the files and the directories we use find slash space hyphen name and followed by the name of the txt file or else name of the file. It search in the hard disk. So for the finding the that operation, it will take some time, so that we use the locate command, locate and followed by the name of the file, and it searches in the database so that it will take less timing rather than the find. Here between this find and this find there is one difference, that here we have written the name name and here the I name. It both in that both it finds the file in the hard disk from the hard disk, but the main thing is that it's not the case sensitive. If here we write here file, when if it's one of the things called capital or anything else, then it will not find this file from this one. But from this command we can find the any file which is if it's insensitive. If you like the video, hit on the like, and for more information please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.